You're bidding on a AIMCO UXR-2000 3/4 inch impact. This came from a closed manufacturer plant that maintained their pneumatic equipment on a contract level where they'd fix them, but they'd never paint them because when they paint them, they grow feet and go home in lunch boxes. So it's in real good shape, but the paint's crappy. Go ahead, give him a shot. See the torque on it? He's not faking it. That's actual torque on that thing. This one, yeah. This is a serious 3/4 inch impact wrench. Nice shape, Euro, Japanese. We got a couple of them. That's it. Good luck bidding.